unloosen it from there, red button there, and it slides out. Untwist it there, camera, tripod, camera plate there, tripod, unhook, 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 slide down, close it back up, there, there, and there. Tripod. That's going to be cool. That's how you set up tripod.